Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to troubleshoot a Simplebooklet conversion if your pages have blurry images, broken fonts, or layout issues. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to click the cover image of the Simplebooklet we want to fix. So this opens our preview mode. And as you can see, we have a drawer on the left-hand side that opens up with your next steps to take. And you can see at the bottom here, we have our troubleshoot option. We're going to click on that. There's going to be a little pop-out underneath that's the rebuild your Simplebooklet option. We're going to click on that. And so Simplebooklet will reconvert your file using adjusted settings to try to fix common issues like blurry images, font problems, and broken layouts. You don't need to upload your original file again. It'll just take a few seconds here. But once the rebuild is complete, we'll be returned to our preview mode with the fixes applied. So as you can see here, we're back in the preview mode of Simplebooklet. And from here, we can flip through our pages and check that everything is displaying correctly. This particular booklet didn't have any fonts or issues that I was trying to fix. I just wanted to show you the process of what you would do if you did run into something like that. If you're still seeing problems after rebuilding, just reach out to us through our support chat, and we'd be happy to take a look and get to the bottom of it. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.